Okay, cool. So let's just get right into it. I am starting on just dry, washed hair, straight out the bonnet. You feel me? Straight out the bonnet. And so what I'm doing is sectioning my hair with rubber bands because I'm going to be using more than one dye. And in the past, I've had my dye bleed into each other, and it was just all a waste of time. So those are my sections for the back. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna link all the hair dye that I'm using below because I cannot remember what the names are. So here I'm wrapping some aluminum foil around each section, and I don't know why I was trying to figure out what was the best way for me to wash the color out of my hair, because I could have it all in the sections for it not to bleed or whatever, but when I just washed my hair, it would all just blend together anyway. So I was thinking, what do I need to do? What can I do to keep my hair from bleeding all over the place? And I thought, boom, if I put it in aluminum foil and I could wash it by each section. So I would just take out the aluminum foil, wash that section, and then keep moving. So that actually proved to be very, very effective. Surprisingly, I didn't expect that at all. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. There's nothing really to this tutorial other than me just applying dye to each section. And the reason that I wanted to do these multiple colors is that I wanted it to be a lot of shades of green in my hair. I wanted, like, when the wind blew and my fro was just like in the wind, I wanted the sun to catch multiple different shades of green. So I wasn't really sure that was gonna work. You can kind of see what brand of hair dye I use. Punky's Colors, I think that's what it's called. But yeah, I really wanted it to be multiple colors, multiple shades of green, and we'll see if that really works out. I think it did a pretty good job, but we'll see. Yeah, so there's nothing, I'm not gonna say much because I personally just like watching people dye their hair. I don't like listening to them talk because I don't have anything important to say. So the rest of this video is just gonna be some non-copyrighted music and me dyeing my hair green. So thank you so much for watching and enjoy.